is for apple, red and round. B is for bee, it buzzes sound. C is for cat, it sneaks around. Sing with me, come along. The alphabet is our happy song. A to Z, we'll learn it strong. D is for dog with a wagging tail. E is for elephant, big as a whale. F is for fish, it swims without fail. Sing with me, come along. The alphabet is our happy song. A to Z, we'll learn it strong. M for moon, it lights the night. S for sun, so warm and bright. Z for zebra,